Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nemesis in Dead by Daylight. To begin, Nemesis possesses a powerful tentacle attack, which is central to his gameplay. This tentacle, part of his T-virus power, allows him to infect survivors, causing them to become contaminated. Furthermore, the tentacle is incredibly versatile, enabling you to efficiently break pallets and destroy breakable walls, maintaining map pressure. Mastering this ability is key to dominating the trial and securing your sacrifices. As Nemesis, your mutation rate is crucial for evolving your power. Each successful tentacle hit on a survivor or a zombie increases this rate. Reaching mutation rate Tier 2 significantly extends your tentacle's reach, making it easier to hit survivors from a distance. At Tier 3, your tentacle gains even more impressive range. Additionally, 2 persistent zombies roam the map, acting as environmental hazards. They can infect survivors, adding to the pressure and helping you track their locations. Survivors will attempt to counter your T-virus by finding vaccines. These are located in supply cases scattered across the map, but be aware, there are only 4 vaccines available throughout the entire trial. You can also strategically use your tentacle to destroy the zombies. Doing so grants you a boost to your mutation rate, accelerating your power progression. Remember, destroyed zombies will respawn after about 15 seconds, so they remain a constant threat to survivors. To play Nemesis effectively, prioritize infecting survivors as quickly as possible to rapidly increase your mutation rate. Utilize your tentacle not just for hits, but also to deny strong loops and destroy pallets, forcing survivors into less safe areas. For perks, consider options like Lethal Pursuer to gain early information or Corrupt Intervention to slow down generator progress. Always keep an eye on your zombies. They are excellent for pressuring generators and revealing survivor positions, helping you secure those crucial downs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.